Hi, welcome to MarineMax. My name is Paul Schifferdecker, and as I said, I'm with MarineMax at beautiful Lake of the Ozarks. And today we're on board a new trade-in. Our boat just took in on trade a 2018 460 Sundancer, Zeus powered QSB 6.7s with 528 horsepower, phenomenal power plant with just over 100 hours on it, hardly broken in. One owner bought new here at the lake. He traded it in on a new boat. This is a great liveaboard. It's all self-contained. You can run up the East Coast, the West Coast, or any of the interior lakes. It's like a family room, a condo, on the water, as I think you'll appreciate when you see all the amenities that it has to offer. It's just a fantastic boat. It's very fleet while underway, and it does like 34, 35 miles an hour. That's getting up and going for a boat that's 46 and some change, 46.8 feet long, 36,000 pounds with a 14-foot 8-inch beam. So again, if you like what you see, and I think you're going to, please give us a like and subscribe. Sit back and enjoy. Thanks for joining us. I hope you've enjoyed our video on the 2018 460 Sundancer as much as we have bringing it to you. Again, my name is Paul Schifferdecker with MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks, and my phone number is 573-525-1129. Give me a call anytime, and have a great day.